gonna bust out the old, was it Goodwill or St. Vinny's hedge clippers, $6 I think it was, and get to work on that. I was wrong. It was only $10.38, but still, let's put her to the test and make this look pretty. Bush 1, done. Whew. 2 more.
Oh. God. What?
Oh yeah, she's tender. Bee got me good. Well, that really sucked. Stepped on a wasp nest. As you can see, they are not very happy. Nailed me in the ankle. Luckily, it was just one. Alright, so now that I've regrouped, I'm going to attempt to drown them. I think we got them. Alright, let's get back to finishing the bushes. Hopefully that's the last big scare of the day.